One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Humanity's most famous moment. We landed on the moon, planted a flag, scooped some rocks, and then went home. Mission accomplished. High fives all around. But that wasn't the ending, that was just the trailer. Now comes the sequel. Bigger cast, bigger budget, and way more drama. So why is everyone suddenly obsessed with the moon again? No, aliens didn't open a Starbucks on the far side. For decades, the moon was treated like a forgotten storage unit, still there but not worth the trip. Now scientists, governments, and billionaires alike have realized, hey, that giant space rock might actually be useful. First, the science. The moon is basically a time capsule. With no atmosphere and very little geological activity, it has preserved billions of years of solar system history. For researchers, it's like cracking open a cosmic diary. Second, the resources. The real showstopper is water ice. Locked away in the permanently shadowed craters at the lunar poles, and water isn't just for drinking. Split it into hydrogen and oxygen, and suddenly you have rocket fuel and breathable air. That means the moon could double as a pit stop, a space gas station. Beyond water, the moon may hold valuable minerals, rare earth elements, and even helium-3, a substance rare on Earth. If fusion technology ever works out, helium-3 could power almost unlimited clean energy. Suddenly, the moon isn't just a scientific playground, it's potentially an energy farm and mining frontier, with billionaires and companies already eyeing it like prospectors of the space age. And then there's the strategy. The moon is prime real estate. Whoever controls the polar ice, builds the first permanent bases, and sets up the lunar highways for future missions to Mars will gain a massive advantage. Think of it as the ultimate high ground, not just militarily, but economically and politically as well. The first countries to set up shop won't just be exploring, they'll be writing the rulebook for humanity's next chapter. But here's the messy part, who actually owns the moon? The 1967 Outer Space Treaty says no nation can claim sovereignty over celestial bodies. But the treaty was written back when space travel meant squeezing 3 astronauts into a capsule with freeze-dried meals. Right now, we're in a legal gray zone the size of, well, the moon itself. It's the Wild West out there. The potential for conflict is very real because when money, power, and prestige are on the line, things can get heated fast. The moon is no longer just a romantic orb hanging in the night sky. It's becoming a laboratory, a refueling depot, a mine, and a strategic outpost. Yes, it will be messy, expensive, and politically complicated. But it's also the next giant leap. This time, we're not just visiting. We're moving in, and the whole neighborhood is coming along.